All right, it's 10:15, heading out of Salida up Monarch Pass. When I mapped this out, it was 23 miles up with like 4,200 feet of climbing and 16 feet of descending. So I'll try and get nice and arrow for those 16 feet. Mount SHAVANO, it's a 14er. I'll do it eventually. I think I've already done those 16 feet of down, so, and I'm only 7 miles in, so it's all up. 14 miles in, 9 miles to go. I can't believe how nice it is. I thought it would be like pretty chilly and windy. It's phenomenal. Out of the west, but not too bad. 6 more miles to summit. Garfield's only mall. I've only skied Monarch one time on Thanksgiving Day 2 years ago and stayed there. It's like something straight out of a Stephen King movie, but it was the only thing open. We're up above 10,000 feet now. It actually is getting pretty tough. Monarch Mountain. Gonna spend plenty of time there, starting in just a few weeks, hopefully. Alright, summit. 11,312 feet. Nice. Alright, about to descend just with insane views. And just like that, back down. It's pretty windy down here. safer.